I've had people come up to me, so I'm assuming that there's a lot of this question going around. They come up to me and say, how the hell do you claim tripling the life of your fuel injection system? I said, it's pretty easy after we've been doing it this many years. We had a fleet out there that was running a bunch of Volvos. Around 400,000 miles, they were looking at replacing their injectors, not injection system, just the injectors. After they've been running the FASS for year after year after year, they started replacing it between 1.2 and 1.5 million miles. So that's just one example. Another one is Vinny down at Leadfoot Diesel. He has a lot of Duramax customers. Okay, a lot of Ford customers too, but he has some of them going over 1 million miles on Duramax injectors. And then I hear our owner operators, and I got off the radio program, and one of them called up, and he had a C15, and he went through like 15 injectors in 3 years. He'd been running FASS for 5 years and had gone through 0. Well, when you have air, air allows metal on metal, okay? Galling and scoring, that's the transferring of metal from this surface to this surface, and that's losing those tolerances, okay? But also, when you're sitting there and you're shaking it like that, that metal is also going through your injection system. That's part of the Packard problem, okay? So you have galling and scoring. When air goes through the nozzle of your injector with fuel under high pressure, you just build a cutting torch. So it sits there and it opens it up.
When an injector pops and burns clean and crisp, increased pressure and atomization creates a more thorough burn. Decreased atomization and larger fuel molecules create more soot and reduce efficiency.
The other place that we save the injector, and this is per Caterpillar. When that injector comes down to compress the fuel creates a shock absorber to spring off of. When there's a lack of fuel, Caterpillar says you get up to 50% greater force onto that tip, and that's where busted tips come from. Milwaukee School of Engineering, the premier hydraulic school in the country, says that 75% of hydraulic system failures are due to fluid contaminants. They say the #1 fluid contaminant in that system is air. That's how we save and triple the life of injection systems.